Hi, welcome to VidaPurpose. I'm Miranda. I'm a nutrition coach and a professional dancer. I have started this YouTube channel to share my wellness day to day. Today I have this amazing recipe that I've been making for a couple years now, and that everywhere I take it, it's an amazing hit. So this recipe today is going to be a broccoli quiche. We're even making the dough of the pie. So it's a little bit more intricate, but don't worry. I'm going to take you through all the steps. And if there's any questions, you can just comment and we can chat through it. Keep watching the video for the full process of the recipe. I'll catch you later. Welcome to my kitchen. I'm looking through my recipe book to find today's recipe. The ingredients that we'll use for our quiche today are flour, oats, sugar, butter, and more ingredients that I'll keep listing as we go. Measure a glass cup of flour and add to your mixing bowl. Half of it of oatmeal, and a teaspoon of sugar. Mix to combine. Cut around 100 grams of cold butter in cubes and add to your mixing bowl. Combine all of the ingredients with your hands. Pour from 2 to 3 tablespoons of ice cold water in the dough until ingredients combine into a ball. Just like that. Place in the freezer for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, grab a pie dish and mold your dough to your dish. Once the dough is nicely molded, pinch it with a fork in preparation for the oven. Place in a 250 Celsius preheated oven for 8 to 9 minutes. While we're waiting for the dough to cook, saute your vegetables. In this case, we're doing onion, tomatoes, and broccoli. The spices for today are this wonderful Arabic mix. Finish sauteing the vegetables and let cool, same as our cooked dough. Beat 3 eggs with your choice of dairy and combine with your vegetables. Pour the mix into the dough and even out all the ingredients nicely. Place the quiche in the oven at 180 Celsius and bake for 20 to 25 minutes. I mean, look at it go. I couldn't resist it, so I took a bite right away. Qué buena pinta tiene eso. So good. What's up? Thank you for watching the video. I hope that it was clear enough, and I hope that you try it. It's sometimes nice to spend a little bit longer time in the kitchen making something that it's a little bit more intricate. You also learn way more by doing so, instead of, making just something easy that you can eat right away, which is also great when there's no time. But yeah, this is a different recipe, and it's close to my heart. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. Take care. Bye.